guys, this is Toy Reviewer. This is basically my very first video and stuff, and I was gonna do a good job because on my camera all the photos and that and videos. Well, I had videos, except I don't get to show you. And here we go. So I'm gonna bring my first toy. It is gonna be amazing. LOL. Lol.
I'm Lionhearted Soldier. I'm
Yeah.
Lucky's brother.
Obviously I've got a cut up here.
Okay, so get ready for your video. Okay. I'll distract them.
this.
No, I'll distract them.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I am Lionhearted Soldier. So make sure you can leave a like and even subscribe. I've got 20 subscribers now. But I might have less, I might have more. But I have 20 subscribers at this moment. And have you got it, Lucky?
Yep.
Okay.
Boom. And ready, guys? Jump scare. If you press this button, push this button down. If you push the button down where my one finger is, look what it does. It is way sicker than your floor. Ah! The teeth are amazing. It's so cool. And obviously you have to build this, and that will take probably 1 day or two.
Nah, I'll probably take an hour.
Yeah,
Maybe
an hour.
2 hours.
Yeah, maybe 2 hours. Well, we don't know, right? Yeah. And we've got some claws. We've got claws and that.
Lucky, point it here. That's where the camera is.
Oh, so here. Yeah. We've got claws here. Claws for the hands. And it is obviously like Godzilla. Hey, should we name it Godzilla? You know, the video.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, we're gonna name it Godzilla. More like God Robotzilla. And here's the tail. This is the tail.
Show them what this does.
And this opens, moves the mouth. This one moves the mouth, because it's just of this part. You just move it up and down. And it's pretty cool. And this is its neck. You know, the neck that moves to, for Godzilla to bite and chomp. Like this. Push and then snap. And now I just want to say goodbye. So
Please
farewell.
like and subscribe.
Yeah. So farewell, guys.
Please
like this video and subscribe.
Look there.
Woo! Subscribe.